Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Pets. So I wanted to make this quick video because it's something that came up, the last few days it's come up a huge amount. It's something we've made videos about before, and it's dogs that are being fed on a good quality kibble, but people not necessarily realising what the ingredients are. So what I'd say is it's well worth turning over the back of your kibble, turn over the back of the food that you've got. And when I say kibble, I mean biscuit, sorry, that's an industry term. So turn it round, look at the ingredients. And the people that have mentioned it to me recently are saying that their dog may be a bit scratchy, a bit dandruffy, a bit of a dry coat. And when we've spoke further about what they're feeding, the food is packed full of fillers, packed full of grains, of corn, of wheat, that sort of stuff in there. Now, I would never say grain-free is a solve-all food, but what we have found is that a huge amount of dogs, when they're moved from a grain-heavy diet, specifically the very grain-heavy diets, the one that have got 30 or 40, 50% grain in them, over to a grain-free diet, you get two benefits there. Generally speaking, when you reduce the amount of grain in there, you up the amount of meat, which is a plus, and you're reducing the amount of grain, and we often find that they get over a lot of those issues. I'm not saying it solves it, and it won't work for every single dog, but it can really, really help. You might not have seen us say it before, but we always say, look for a grain-free food, and ideally go for at least 50% meat. And that means there's so many on the market for you. So it's nice and easy to do. You can walk into a shop like ours and have a look at the packet, or ask the members of staff there, and they'll be able to show you where that type of food is. We don't stock anything that is below 50% meat in the food. So it's nice and easy to do. So if you have got any questions about it, you are thinking about changing your food because you think your dog is a bit dusty, a bit dry, or is the dog food is not really suiting them, then get in contact. That's what we're here for. You can either come and see us, give us a bell, comment on this video, drop us a Facebook message, whatever you want to do. We're here to help. See you soon.